Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where we want to add the widget. For example, let's use the new one. And now just to add the widget, we should hold with our finger here to the home screen, and after that tap here to widgets icon. After that we can see here all the available applications, which widgets we can add. For example, we can see that the Google app has 2 different types of the widgets, the Chrome 4 of them, the contacts has 3 shortcuts. So each of the application, just for example the the Gmail has one widget and one shortcut. So let's just use, for example, the calendar application. Oh no, where is the calendar? It's here. So we can use full month view or also the schedule. Just to add the schedule, we should hold and drag the widget to the home screen. If you want to resize it, you can make it by this way. So you should hold the widget, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move widgets here on the screen, you should by the same way hold and drag it, and just to move them between the screens we should also hold widget and drag, and also we can create new screens with a widget. That's also another problem. And if you want to remove it, you should hold it and after that drag it here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.